In this video, I'm going to show you how to get curling the wrong way. What's up, gorgeous? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get that Hollywood glam look in no time using this automatic curling wand. Now, if you really want your curls to stay, make sure you pin them while they're still hot and let them cool completely. For many years, I did not want to use an automatic curling wand because I thought it was kind of cheating. Then when you get older and your wrists start to hurt, your hands start to get fatigued, you're like, maybe I should try that automatic curling wand. Now the trick is to let it sit in there usually around 10 seconds, depending on how thick your hair is, and then you'll get this awesome symmetric curl. Now, if you're like me and you have trouble curling your hair at home, this is just going to make your life so much easier. I'm going to be doing some holiday promotions with NuMe this holiday season. So get ready because we're gonna have some holiday bundles that are perfect for gift giving. This automatic curling wand actually comes with 3 different sizes. This is the largest size, medium size, and then there's one size even smaller than this. This is made out of 100% tourmaline, and the tourmaline is going to give your hair that shine and that radiance. It's not going to leave your hair smelling like metal. Now, if you're looking for the perfect gift to give anyone with long hair or medium length hair for Christmas or the holidays, this is the perfect gift for them. I mean, why not give the gift of good hair for the holidays? Look how easy it is to get a perfectly unified curl. All right, one side done. Now we're moving on to the other side. Do you see how fast this goes? This is the automatic curling wand from NuMe, and the link is in my bio with all the other amazing NuMe products. Just click on the link, go to the website, and search automatic curling wand, and you'll find it right there. And make sure to use the code MatthewMain at checkout for an extra special little discount. Seriously, like, I can't get over how easy this is. Every time I use it, I'm like, how come I have not been using this for years? This is going to give you that big Hollywood glam, like think Victoria's Secret in the 90s, think Guest models in the 90s, think Sabrina Carpenter currently. I love this look because I always feel like it's so timeless. Like it's something that never goes out of style. You always see it on the red carpets. You always see it at big glamorous events. As you can see, I'm not being very uniform with my sectioning or curls. And that's just because I'm doing it on myself and it's really hard to do your own hair sometimes. So if you can get anything that makes your life easier, get it, girl. Now the trick is to let your hair cool completely cool, and the curl will last even longer and the style will be even more voluminous. Usually that's around like 10 to 15 minutes for everything to cool down. Are you ready for the unveiling? Here we go. One step closer, almost there. Wait is over. Christmas came early. Look how much volume this is. The body is out of control. It's not the first time I heard that. This was stupid easy. Like, what? Next step, we brush it with the NuMe Detangling Brush and really get in there and rake it through all the curls. Don't be afraid to comb through all of that. Whoa. That was the first time I'd used the medium one, but look how much volume and body that gave me. I'm gonna keep brushing through the other side and get a good shape going. You want to really break up all of that curl so you can kind of flip to whatever side you want to flip to and get whatever kind of look you want to achieve. Let's see what it looks like parted on the side. Much better. I mean, I would wear this to a wedding. I would wear this to a bat mitzvah. I would wear this to the grocery store, really. I love the curl at the bottom. I love the shine that the tourmaline gave me. Now let's try the other side. Ooh. Oh, I almost like that better. Oh yeah. Like I love how it bends right there at the cheekbone. Yes, mama, yes. I didn't start brushing out these curls with a detangling brush until recently, but look how much better it looks when you do that. Think Scarlett Johansson, think Sabrina Carpenter. This is the look that they're wearing right now. So easily achievable with these 2 products, the automatic curling wand from NuMe and the detangling brush from NuMe as well. The link for both of these products is in my bio. You'll see the NuMe link there, and then you can use the code MatthewMain at checkout for a discount. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. It always helps out the channel. And until next time, see you later.